How to make money with Minddrift. Have you ever wondered how you can turn your creativity into cash? Stay tuned to discover how Minddrift can help you make money online. So, hi guys, and welcome to this video. Well, I'll show you how you can leverage Minddrift to create and sell unique digital products. By the end of this video, we'll have a clear roadmap to start earning money online. So let's get started. First, what is Minddrift? Minddrift is a powerful AI-driven platform that helps you generate creative content from digital art to writing materials. It's designed to spark creativity and assist you in producing high-quality, marketable content. Whether you are an artist, writer, or just someone with a creativity flair, Minddrift can be your secret weapon for creating unique products. So let's know some types of content you can create. With Mindraft, you can create a variety of digital products such as ebooks, stock photos, custom illustration, and more. Imagine selling beautifully designed digital planners on Etsy or licensing your stunning stock photos on Shutterstock. The possibilities are endless, and the market for digital products is growing rapidly. So let's take a look at how you can create a unique piece of digital art with Minddrift. So all you have to do is open your browser and dive into minddrift.ea. Here we have websites, we have here other information, our roles, you can read it. We have EA Tutors Writer, EA Tutors Domain Expert, EA Tutors Editor, EA Tutors Explainer. You can select the one you want, as you can see. Then we have blog, about us, FAQ, login for EA Tutor. Then we have apply now. If you click over here, we'll apply. Then we have some information like the definition of EA tutors. This is a new role arising from advancement in AI technology. AI tutors are experts involved in an AI project. The responsibilities include crafting texts, evaluating the AI's responses, and conducting fact checks. Here we have some comments, you can read it to more understand. Then we have the definition of Minddrift. Minddrift is a community of freelance experts, writers, and editors committed to innovation and excellence, dedicated to generating high-quality data for improving AI. Here we have other information like try your hand at AI projects, apply your knowledge in a new way, and enrich your portfolio. Then we have work from anywhere and anytime. Here we have work from anywhere, anytime. Enjoy the freedom of a part-time schedule, get paid based on project complexity. Also, we have collaborate and learn, join forces with fellow experts, setting a new standard for EA, all under the guidance of experienced team lead. Then we have join our talent pool of annotation, writing and editing, domain experts. We can read it to more understand. Like annotation, we have vertical specialists who administrate the EA projects and ensure the highest quality of prompt generation and data markup. Then we have writing and editing, an opportunity for writers, editors, and language professionals to combine technical skills and creativity in an innovative way. Then we have domain experts. We are looking for subject matter experts in various domains from law to on to engineering who will join our mission to enhance EA. Here we have some responsibilities. First, we have review and verify the work done by others and suggest improvement. We have also formulate clear, effective instructions for annotation projects. Then you have develop training tasks for EA projects. For requirements, we have requirement of English intermediate or higher, Ken A for digital data. Labeling is all about precision. Then we have readiness to learn new technologies, adapt to new projects, and follow complex instruction. So to apply, all you have to do is apply here. Here we have first name, last name, email, phone, country, LinkedIn profile, personal website. Then if you are agree, all you have to do is click over here that you can keep your data for an extended time period so that it will be easier for you to contact them about job opportunities. So all you have to do is stop my application if you need it. Then let's come back to the top. Here we have our roles, block, know something. Here we have other options like roles and more. As you can see, interview with Julia and to understand what an EA tutor does and why. So you can learn a various information here. There we have insights. All you have is click and read it. Then we have stories. You can see also podcasts. Here we have interview with Tanisha, interview with Amy, Charlie also. You can choose the one you want. Then we have about fuck. We have frequently asked questions. Sorry. Here we have fake. So frequently asked questions. As you can see, we have general fakes. First, you have the one you need AI development experience. You can click over here to get your answer. Then we have what is AI tutor. You can read it. What does a typical task look like? How many tasks will I be able to get? Can I be an EA tutor? If I already have a job, why would I want to be an EA tutor? What does the day of an EA tutor look like? What does the application process look like? The pay we have, how do I get paid? How much will I get paid? Requirement we have, will I need to perform a set amount of hours every week? How flexible is this opportunity? As you can see, then you have to set in your account, your content. So now that you have created your digital products, it's time to sell websites like Etsy are perfect for digital downloads, while Shutterstock is great for stock images. Setting up a seller account is straightforward. On Etsy, click Sell on Etsy and follow the prompts to create your shop. On Shutterstock, sign up as a contributor and upload your image. For Amazon, we have Kindle is perfect for ebooks. Just follow their publishing guidelines to get started. And there you have it. With Minddrift, making money online has never been easier. Start creating today and turn your passion into profit. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.